Hi everyone! So today I'm going to do a special coach unboxing. The reason I say special is because we've got an exclusive gifts that we received from Coach. Here it is. So I don't know what's inside, so I'm so excited to share it with you. The other night, Phil and I went to a Coach VIP dinner event. We got invited, and so that was last Wednesday on the 4th of May. So it was such an amazing night, it's a memorable night, and we got to meet the senior coach team from Sydney as well as Singapore. And also Maggie was there from Coach Doncaster. Hi Maggie, if you're watching. And also the other VIP customers, and as well as the other managers from different boutiques in Melbourne. But first, before I do the unboxing, I want to show you a little video of the event. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that little video, and now let's do the unboxing. So I'm going to do the first one. Now I don't know what's in here, but we were told that it's an exclusive gift and you can't get it at the boutique. So I'm so excited to share it with you guys. So let's have a look. Here you go. Okay, let me just put this aside. So this is the first one. Okay, let's do this. So excited. Here it is. What's in here? Oh. Oh, wow. It is a Coach, I think it's a blanket. And it's got the Coach story and logo here. So yeah, I have actually never seen this in the boutique. So yes, so this is something special. Wow. There you go. Can you see the logo? It's really big, guys. So, wow, this is really nice. So this is the first one. So I think the second one is, I would say it would be the same. So here it is. So that's that one. So now let's have a look at the second one. And I think the second one is the same as well. So let's have a look. Here it is. Yes, it is. So it's exactly the same one. So it's one for me and one for Phil. So here it is, guys. And as you can see. And we were told that you can't get this. So this is especially made for us for the event the other night. there you have it. Wow, this is really nice. Here is a closer look of the blanket. Just want to show it to you guys quickly. And the material is really nice. It's nice and soft. And you've also, so just want to show you the tag. See if you can see what read what it says. Yeah, so it's a decent sized blanket. I really love it, and I'm gonna be using this because it is winter here now in Australia. So yeah, once again, thank you so much, Coach. This is such a nice, beautiful gift. What do you think, guys? Well, I hope that you liked this little video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'd like to say thank you again to Coach for the other night, and thank you especially to Coach Doncaster. Until then, bye for now.